So on the EDCOM website, Congressman Roman, no, may mga teaser kung anong lalabas dun sa EDCOM report come Monday, January 26. One of the things though na finlag nila is yung sustainability nitong K to 10 or yung matatag curriculum that you're saying. Sabi nga, sustainable gains were actually seen, no, sa grade 2 students. Pero finlag nila yung risks sa mga teachers naman, that they had a hard time adjusting, although mas maganda nga yung curriculum and they're able to connect with their students more. What are we doing to address naman on the teacher side, on the educator side, to help them, adjust and improve their efficiency?
Yes. If you recall, meron din tayong bagong NEAP, the National Educators Academy of the Philippines. Sila actually ang tumutulong sa teacher training, meaning talagang regular improvement, talaga leveling up of teachers, including pedagogical approaches. Kasi yung pagturo, katulad example, tama yung nabanggit ninyo, yung curriculum, binawasan natin ang competencies, binawasan rin natin ang subjects. But according to the Department of Education in the committee meeting yesterday, isa sa issues pa rin nila because na-flag ng PIDS yan, yung PIDS, they're saying that, sabi ng teachers, you reduce the number of subjects, pero per subject reduced, yung dating 3 subject, pinagsama nyo lahat ng competencies in 1 subject. So pareho lang. Yun yung point ng ibang teachers based on the PIDS study. Sabi ng DepEd, they've already encountered that issue and it's really partly pedagogical and partly sub-content issue kasi meron competency na may mention. Some teachers still believe na yung 1 competency na yun, kailangan pa rin yung maturo ng 3 competencies. Sabi ng DepEd, hindi na. But then, they recognize the fact that maybe kulang yung information, kulang yung communication nila on how to approach or teach each of these competencies. We don't have to go to yung dating 3-5 competencies na hindi naman raw nila kinolapse ng into 1. There was a reason for that and it's really a matter of communicating it properly with the teachers. And DepEd, according to them yesterday, they know the problem, they're on top of it, and they will start consulting again and communicating with the teachers.